How to delete history on Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you how you can delete history on Netflix, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. To delete your history on Netflix, there are two types of history. One is the continue watching and other is all of the shows that you've watched in the past. So first of all, to delete your continue watching, you have to open up Netflix, and then once you just open up Netflix, you want to simply go ahead and then log into your account, right? And after you do that, here you will be able to see the continue watching for this specific profile. If you want to remove from continue watching, tap on the three dots and then choose the option called remove from row. The other type of watch history is actually the viewing history, right? So if you want to delete it, you will not be able to do it from the app. Instead, you have to log in from your browser. So just open up your browser and go to netflix.com, tap on the three lines icon and then go to account. Then once you go to account, you'll be able to see a list of these options here. Scroll down and then choose the profile for which you want to delete the history of. Once I select this profile over here, and then I'll just expand the drop down menu. You can see viewing activity. Just go ahead and then tap on the option called viewing activity, right? So I'll just tap on the viewing activity button here. Now once I tap on the view option here, you'll be able to see all of the activities that this profile has done. All you need to do is scroll down, choose the option called hide all. When you tap on hide all, you can select yes, hide all my viewing activity, and all of your history is going to be deleted. And this is how you can delete your history on Netflix. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.